Welcome back. Now the Midday Sports Roundup.
The West Indies went down by 27 runs to Bangladesh in the second T20 International at the Arnarsville ground in St. Vincent on Tuesday night. Sent to bat, Bangladesh first posted a modest 129 for 7. Shamim Hussain top scored with 35, while Mahidi Hassan Miraz made 26 and Jakir Ali 21. Gudakesh Moti took 2 for 25 for the Windies, while there was a wicket each for Roston Chase, Obed McCoy, Alzari Joseph and Akil Hussain. In reply, the West Indies never recovered from 41 for 5 and were eventually bowled out for 102 in 18.3 overs. Chase top scored with 32, while Hussain made 31. Captain Jamaican Rovman Powell could only muster 5 runs as Taskin Ahmed took 3 for 16 for Bangladesh as they took an unbeatable 2-0 lead in the 3-match series. The third and final T20 match will be played on Thursday also at the Arnarsville ground. The Manning School are the ISA Under-16 Rural Area Champions after coming from 2-0 down to outscore Clarendon College 3-2 in the final held at Stets on Tuesday. Justin Hales gave Clarendon College a 13th minute lead. And Clarendon College were sent in victory when LaShawn Harris made it 2-0 in the 51st minute. But Manning sparked a comeback to make a run to the wire, Rajon McKenzie cutting the deficit on 58 minutes. Clarendon College were hanging on when Javis Mela scored to tie the score with 4 minutes to full time. And a minute from time, Mela completed his heroics as he handed Mannings the victory. Meanwhile, a late goal in the 70th minute from Tristan Francis gave Glenmuir High the ISA Rural Area Under-14 title as they clipped first-time finalists Manchester High 1-0 at the same venue in the first game of the doubleheader. Glenmuir will be facing Kingston College in the Under-14 All-Ireland Finals, while the Under-16 All-Ireland title will be between Manning School and St. Andrew Technical. Both matches will be played on Wednesday, January 15. Reggae Girls captain Khadija Bunny Shaw has been sidelined by injury until the new year. Shaw, the top striker for England Women's Super League WSL team Manchester City, has an injury to her lower leg. City's coach Gareth Taylor said the 27-year-old will undergo scans in order to reveal the extent of the issue. Shaw, the team's leading scorer with 9 goals, was missing in Sunday's game where Manchester City were stunned 2-1 by 9th place Everton. And finally, Jamaica will be hunting their second win of the Jewels of the Caribbean Women's Under-20 tournament when they face Trinidad and Tobago White Angels today. They hammered Dominica 7-0 in their last match to record their first win. They drew 1-1 with St. Vincent and the Grenadines in their opening game on Sunday. Trinidad and Tobago White Angels drew 0-0 with St. Vincent and the Grenadines in their last game. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.